Welcome to Ogunquit Beach, a coastal paradise that promises an unforgettable walking tour of natural beauty and endless fun. This is a short walking tour of the Ogunquit Beach. We were there around 1 p.m. Parking was full. So if you are planning the beach day at Ogunquit, I would recommend to start early, or you might have to find other public parking or private parking which will add you some walking time, plus you might have to carry your stuff. Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping experience. Ogunquit Beach is not only known for its stunning views, but also for its fantastic surfing and tubing opportunities. Find your perfect spot to unwind, whether under the shade of a beach umbrella or soaking up the sun's warm rays. Ogunquit Beach and Marginal Way form a perfect union of natural wonders and stunning views, leaving visitors in awe at every turn. Feel the rush as you catch the perfect wave or ride the thrilling tubes. It's no wonder Ogunquit Beach is hailed as one of the best beaches in America.
Absent mind came to roam around, captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go. I'm taking matters But when we fall, we get up and go, baby. The way they think is paradoxical. Captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go. I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go. I'll take the lead, I'm ready to go.
Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable walking tour of Ogunquit Beach. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments your favorite beach memories. Until next time, may your adventures be as exciting as the waves at Ogunquit Beach.